Hello everyone and welcome you all here. In the previous session, we discussed about OBS in detail, and in this session, we will discuss hands-on practice of OBS by taking simple examples. Now we will discuss how can we choose different sources to explain the subject content. So let's take an example of explaining the real number system through a chart on image. So for that we have to select an image. Okay, browse, then image, open. Okay, so your image is there to explain. Now you can just explain the real number system to students with the help of this image. So click on start recording. Hello students, today we will learn about the real number system, and here you can see that the real number system includes all rational numbers as well as irrational numbers. And to understand rational numbers, we will start with the concept of natural numbers. So rational numbers include all integers as well as fractions which are in the form of x upon y. Then irrational numbers. So irrational numbers cannot be expressed as a fraction of integers. So rational numbers and irrational numbers combined makes the real number system. So it was all about the real number system. Stop recording. Now you can check your recording by going to the file, show recording, and here is the recording. See. Hello students, today we will learn about the real number system, and here you can see that the real number system includes all rational numbers as well as irrational numbers. So by this way you can explain any topic to the students through an image or diagram or concept mapping, whatever the possible way you want to choose. Now I will discuss with you to explain the content with the help of image slide show. How can we explain any topic with the help of different images? So for that we have to select the source image slide show. Okay, here just scroll down, click on this plus button, add directory, go to desktop. I have one folder, this is new folder, select here. So, okay, now your folder has been selected here. So here I can explain the topic by showing different slides. But for that I have to just adjust it on manual. So right click, properties, automatic, because it's already adjusted on automatic mode. So now manual mode. Okay, but for manual mode we have to just adjust the hotkeys. Go to settings, see the hotkeys. Now come to image slideshow. Here for next slide just assign right arrow key, and for previous slide assign this key. Then okay, so now your images are ready. Now you can start the image slideshow for explaining any content. Start recording. So today we'll discuss about the parts of speech. You can see noun, interjection, conjunction, preposition, adverb, article, adjective, verb, pronoun. These all are the parts of speech. So you can see nouns. Nouns are the naming words. You can see place, object, person, animal. So these all are nouns. Then verbs. Verbs are action words. So you can see all these actions. Now adjectives are describing words. So which describe something. So here are the examples. Then adverbs are the words that describe a verb. So by this way, you can discuss any topic with the students by explaining the content given in different slides. So this is the function of image slide show. Now I will show you the use of display capture. I'm just showing some video, or you can run some PowerPoint presentation even on the screen. So simultaneously it will be recorded. So you can show any video, any PowerPoint through display capture. For that we have to select the source display capture. See here. Okay. Now again okay. So your screen is ready to be recorded. Then go to start recording and start the video or the presentation, whatever you want to give it. Friends. So this is the way we can use different sources on OBS in presenting your lectures by selecting image or image slideshow or display capture as per your requirement. I think my purpose is solved. I have explained it that how can you connect all these resources with your subject. Now it's your creativity. Happy learning to all. Take care and thank you.